Hey YouTube, Abdel Carfix. We're doing some work on this van, and one of the things we're doing is cleaning the intake valves. It's especially if you have, this van is not a GDI, but if you have a GDI, direct fuel injection systems, like a lot of the Hondas and a lot of the VW, a lot of those, if you do this maintenance every 30,000 miles, it might help to keep those valves clean and run your car smooth and nice. So I used this before. This is a good product. I use this intake valve cleaner. So basically, there's instruction with it, comes with it. But if you have easy access to a throttle body, you can do it this way. You hook up the yellow straw, and this yellow straw goes in here, and it goes on the inside like that, and you hook up back the intake hose, and basically you have to run the vehicles first. Okay, start the vehicle, and then you push the button. I'll show you the process here. We're gonna start with that. Start the vehicle. Okay, basically we hook up the can right now to it. It will run a little rough, but it will smooth out. We're gonna go ahead and hook up the other hose right here. We're gonna hook it back up. Okay, that way the solvent won't be coming out. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna place my phone down for a second while I do this, because it's very hard to do filming and so bear with me. These hoses are so tight. Anyway, so basically you push the button on this to bring the solvent back in there, and as you see, coming out into the engine. Okay, until it's empty. You have the engine set for half an hour. Once you have the engine set for half an hour, you will drive it for 10 minutes, and that will clean the intake valves, at least get them a little bit cleaned up, better than before, allow it to smoother engine, better performance, and basically that's what you got to do. It's easy, simple to do. It keeps your valve clean and runs the engine smoother. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.